Akagwaka kabiro mu kyaro kya Mapata omugombora ya Bugoye omu district ya Kasese obwenju ya Edmund Bwambare ow'emyaka 30 hamwe n'omukazi w'Embambu Esther ow'emyaka 22 hamwe n'omwana wabo Masika Catherine ow'omwaka gumwe okutwara omutunga abashatu aba omu baferire.
The January burial was to take tomorrow. As per now, we are arranging and we are in the process of making sure that we are organizing everything to see that we bury them tomorrow, because the time we got them from up has affected us and we have not managed to bury today.
Aba nabashaba gavumenti okubakwatiraho okuziika abantu babo.
We kindly request the office of the president that we should be helped in terms of the arrangement and the ceremony, the part of ceremony of burying our members. We kindly request the office of the president that kindly he should help us in terms of disaster.
Honorable Sowed Kitanywa oli omunyeshenjero wa Busongora North ayorekera okukwatwaho ahabwe ekigwerereza eki.
We've lost lives. As I speak now, 3 people have died as a result of landslides, and crops, animals have been affected. The roads are all in bad shape because of the mudslides and the landslides.
Abebembezi bariyo nibarambura emyanya yindi okureba ebindi ebisisirwe mwegye murogo.
I haven't so far gathered the details, but as I move, I can see the magnitude of the destruction. The destruction is very, 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 very high. People have lost crops. All the little valleys in this area have all been destroyed.
Today we are experiencing a time which is very hard, and we are going to take these dead bodies in Rukoki sub-county. We got them from Mapata village. And basically I request the government that assist these people because of the problem that has happened.
District nyingi omuchanga cha Rwenzori ezirimu Kasese, Bunyangabu, Ntoroko, Bundubujo hamwe ne Kabarore nizikira kuteganisibwa okutenguka kw'itaka kandi abantu bengi baferwa amagara gabo. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.